this video, we are going to look at substitution in polynomials. Now, substitution in polynomials means replacing a variable by its value. So, let's look at the first example. If A is 5 and B is 3, find the value of 7A minus 4B. So wherever you have A, you should replace it by 5, and wherever you have B, you should replace it by 3. So 7A is 7 into 5 minus 4 into 3. 7 5s are 35 minus 12. So the answer is 23. If x is 3, find the value of 2x square minus 4x plus 5. So you have to substitute the value of x as 3 or replace x by 3. So 2 into 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 5. 3 square is 9. 2 into 9 minus 12 plus 5. So this gives you 18 minus 12 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. 12 plus 5. So this gives you 18 minus 12 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Let's look at another example. X is 2, y is minus 2 and z is 3. You have to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Since x is 2, we will replace x by 2. So here you get 2 square. Now the value of y is minus 2. So you get minus 2 square. Z is 3. So here you get 3 square. Minus 2 into xy. 2 into 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into y into z. That is minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 into 2. 4 plus 4 plus 9. 2 times 2 times 2 gives 8. Now there are 2 minus signs, so you make it a plus because 2 negatives give a positive. Here also there are 2 negative signs. So 2 into 2 is 4, 3s are 12. So you get plus 12. Here there is only 1 negative sign. This is 12. Now 12 and minus 12 will get cancelled because that will give us 0. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 8 is 25. So our answer is 25. Let's look at a last and final example. 5ab plus 7bc minus 3ca, when a is 2, b is 3 and c is 4. So 5 into 2 into 3 plus 7 into 3 into 4 minus 3 into 4 into 2. So 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30, 7 3s are 21, 4s are 84, 3 4s are 12, 2s are 24. 84 minus 24 is 60 and 30 plus 60 is 90. So our answer is 90. So you hope you've understood the meaning of substituting the value of a variable. That is, whatever value is assigned to the particular variable, we put that in the expression. We replace that particular variable with that value in the expression. With that, we come to the end of this video.